So I'm going to deal about the calculus part, basic mathematics. So I want to complete the video in 20 minutes. So if you has to quick revise the basic mathematics, it will use. So calculus means what? Nothing but okay. So I want to write the date when I'm going to starting this one because I want this. So see here, it means in this calculus we have two parts, differentiation and integration. So differentiation, if you have to understand about the differentiation, first you have to understand the what is meant by differentiation. So in that differentiation, rate of change of a function. What is meant by differentiation? Rate of change of a function. So in this we have to understand what is meant by rate of change, what is meant by function. So first we are going to learn about the rate of change. So in that rate of change, how fast a reaction, how fast the change is happening. So before that I first has to tell about function. Sorry for that. So function I want to tell first. So function means dependency. Function means dependency. So if area, if you take area, so area is a function of radius. Area is a function of radius. So how it will be represented? A is equals to pi r square. Yes or not? So A is equals to f of r. Okay. So and it will written in differentiation as dA by dr. Okay. So they will ask. So differentiate A with respect to r like that. In physics words only they will give. And after that you have rate of change. Rate of change means what? Rate of change means how fast a quantity is changing. How fast a quantity is changing is nothing but rate of change. Okay, so only change is not important, how fast the change is happening also important. That is called rate of change. And the differentiation is nothing but rate of change of a function. Rate of change of a function. Differentiation means yes or not. Then we have how to differentiate in the rules of differentiation we have. So rules of differentiation rules. So first rule, y is equals to x power n. Differentiate y with respect to x means nx minus 1. And the second rule will be y is equals to constant, then it will be 0 differentiation. And y is equals to c x power n. C means constant, give respect to the constant. Remind my words, every is important. So give respect to the constant, keep constant like that. And you will do this only. And nx n minus 1. And fourth will be differentiate 1 by 1. Y is equals to u plus v plus 1. Differentiate 1 by 1. You can get by example this one. And fifth one is the differentiation of sin x will be cos x. And cos x differentiation will be minus sin x. Okay, then we have the seventh one is cos x sin x. And the tan x means secant square x. And eighth one is e power x is equals to e power x only. And differentiation of log x will be 1 by x. Okay, so these are the differentiation one. And in this we have some other rules also. The 10th one is product rule. That means you have differentiate if they give x square plus like sin x, you will do x plus you will do. And sin x differentiation will be cos x. So this is the answer. But if they give x square sin x, then what you will do? In the uv form it will taken. So differentiate first one and plus. And now you differentiate, keep one constant and differentiate another one. Okay, so like that in that this is the product rule. But division rule, how to do? U by v. So u by v, you first differentiate du by dx. Okay, then dv by dx. U will be the constant by v square is the formula. And chain rule, the 13th one is the chain rule we have. So in this chain rule we have so differentiation of sine 4x they will give. How to do this one? So sine x differentiation means cos. So cos 4x and multiply the coefficient of x into 4. Like that we will do. This is called as differentiation rule, and graphically differentiation represents slope of a curve. So slope of a curve, it will be differential, and tan theta is equals to dy by dx. If you draw a graph like this, so it will be curved like a hyperbola, and in this curve we draw a tangent like this. We draw a tangent here and theta. So this theta is the tan theta. So tan theta is equals to dy by dx we will draw. And the next one we have to go to integration. Integration represents summation of function. Okay, so integration represents what? Summation of function. Integration represents summation of function, and it is reverse process of differentiation. Okay, it is reverse process of differentiation. Okay, summation of function, it is reverse process of differentiation, and graphically it will represent area of a curve. And how to the rules of differentiation will be, how to represent will be, so integration of y with respect to x means like this we will do. Okay, so this is the function, this is with respect to, in that also like that only will come. Okay, so here the first rule same as that only. So y dx, so differentiate y dx power n. So y is equals to x n plus 1 by n plus 1 is the first rule, and the second one is the constant, then it will be cx, and third one, so y is equals to constant with respect to n, so cx n plus 1 by n plus 1, and the fourth one differentiate 1 by 1 means integrate u dv plus dx v dx plus w dx, like that will come. And the fifth rule is sin x. Sin x means minus cos x here, and the sixth one is cos x is equals to sin x here. Okay, you can put in integration constant also. Then we have and the seventh one is tan theta is not there, e power x integration will be e power x only, and here integration of 1 by x dx is equals to log x. Okay, so it is reverse one now, so it has to be reverse. So open, close, on, off, these are the reverses. Okay, so these are the, and here also chain rule will be used, and the ninth one we can tell the chain rule how. Why one example 4 alpha plus t. Okay, how to do? So e power 4 alpha plus t by 4 is the answer. Here division will be done. So this is, and the lower and upper limit we can take an example of lower and upper limits, what differentiation integration actually represents. So upper and lower limit, at upper the summation will start, here the summation will end. Okay, so if you take 4x cube, so 0 to 2. So how to do it? First differentiate this one. So 4x power 4 by 4 cancel, and put the limit 0 to 2. First put this value here, 2 power 4, 2 power 0, so the 16 is the answer. Like that will be. This is the basic methods of differentiation and integration. Thank you. I think you like this one. Okay, for more coming lessons please subscribe my channel. Thank you.